Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to get back your missing navigation pane on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your navigation pane is not available when you open your file explorer, then in left side you can see we are unable to see our navigation pane. In left side the list you will see that is called navigation pane. So if you want to get back this navigation pane, then what you have to do, you have to just click on this view, click on show, then click on navigation panel. Then you can see our navigation panel is visible now. So that's it guys. So in this way you can get back your navigation panel on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.